we have started a new chapter, is it? What was that? Chapter 2, Roman numerals, is it? Already we discussed it. What is Roman numerals, and also we know how to write a Roman numbers, is it? We all write a Roman numbers using a alphabets, is it? We all use a 7 letters. Can you remember me again? What are those 7 letters? Yes, tell me. What are those? I. Next. V. X. L. Next. I. V. X. L. C. D. N. Is it? By using these 7 English alphabets, we write a Roman numbers. Is it? Can you tell? I stands for 1, B for 5, X for what? 10, L for 50, C for 100. Right? Next, D for 500, M for 1000. Is it? By using these 7 alphabets, we write a Roman numerals. Is it? And already we solved first mean and second mean in this. Is it? First mean is what? We converted Indo-Arabic into Roman numbers, and also Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numbers. Is it? Hope everyone is finished the yesterday work. Is it? Elru madidira alva nenne munna? Yes. Good. Now we started with a third mean. Find the value of Roman numerals. They given the Roman numbers. You have to find the value of that. Okay. First, before going to solve that, you have to convert this Roman into Indo-Arabic. Okay. Look, your name is what? 50. Is it? 50. X stands for 10. Is it? It is in the right side. So you have to add it. 50, 60, 70, 80. The left side one is. So what the 4? Is it? So 84 plus X is 20. V1 is 6. So 26. So we have to make the addition. Is it? 84 plus 26 is what? 6 plus 4 is 10. 0, 1 carry. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer was what? 110. Then you have to write this 110 in a Roman number. You have to write this 110 in a Roman number. Okay, write it. How to write the 110 in a Roman numeral? Hey, very good. 100 is what? 100 is what? S. We have to say 100 for C. Is it? 10. 10 means X. So the answer was CX. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Don't get confused. Look, one more example I will show you. X C I is it? X means what? 10. C means 100. But X is left side of C. Is it? So have to make subtraction. 100 minus 10 is 90. Is it? Plus 3. 93. Is it? 93 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? C ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100, X ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10. ಈ X ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 100 minus 10 is 90. 1113. 93. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Don't get confused. Look one more. N is 50, 60, 71. Is it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? x means 10 plus 10. 1 means 1. 21 plus 50, 71. So 93 plus 71, 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Addition करते हैं, हाँ? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is it? 9 plus 7 is 16. So the answer was 164. 164. You have to write this 164 in a Roman number. You have to represent 100 for C, L for 50, A1X for 10. 15 plus 10 was 60. 4 means I. Is it? 164. 164. अर्थ आएगा? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Don't get confused. Here look, one more example I will show. CCXCI. CC means what? CC. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus XC. This means 100. Left side of the minus. Is it 90? 291. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? CC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 200. ಹೌದಾ? XC ಇದೆ. XC means 100 minus 10. So the answer was 90. So 200 plus 90 plus 1. So 291. Don't get confusion. Okay? Confusion ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Before I explain the rules, is it? Rules of repetition, rules of addition, and also rules of subtraction. By using all these, I am doing the exercises. Okay? C means 100, B 1 means 106. You have to subtract. 291 minus 106. Is it possible to subtract 1 from 6? No. Make it. Bring borrow or make a 1. You see? 11 minus 6 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer was 185. Is it? 185. You have to write this 185 in a Roman numeral. Roman numeral is 185 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 100 means C, L, X, 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 V. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನಾನು? S. C stands for 100. L ಅಂದ್ರೆ is and right and that is correct. C stands for 100. L means 50, 60, 70, 80. Alva 10, 10, 10. So 185. We represent 5. So the answer was C, L, X, 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 V. Is it? Next, one more example. Don't get confusion. Okay? First you learn rules of repetition, rules of addition, and also rules of subtraction. Then you can solve this mean easily. D means what? 500. Is it? X means 10. L means 50. 50. X in minus 1. So 40. 546 minus CD. The D means 500. CD of the 100. So 500 and 100 of it. 420. X means what? 20. look, 546 minus 420. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer was 126. Answer was 126. How it is subtract? Look, ಹೇಗೆ subtract ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌದಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್. 126 you have to write in Roman numbers. For C it is 100. 20 you have to write X. For 6 V I. Is it clear? Am I right? Number correct alva? S. C represent 100. X and X for 20. V I is 6. 126. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, here in this way you can solve more examples in your textbook. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? Now move to the fourth name. Look children, here is the fourth name. What comes before and after the given Roman numeral? Means you have to write before Roman numeral and after Roman numeral. For this also have to remember these 7 letters. See, by using this we can write a Roman number. Before that, first this Roman number you have to convert into a Indo-Arabic number. How do you write the Indo-Arabic number? Convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು before number ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it? Look, XX means 20. I means 4. So 24 is the number. Is it? What is the right for before number? It is 24. You have to write 23. How you can write 23 in Roman numeral? S. Write with me. Look at carefully. X. I. Am I right? How to do that? X means 20. I 23. 24 before number is 23. 24 before number was what? 23. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Don't get confused. Look at carefully. Okay. Next, one more example. C represents for 100, 200, 300. Is it? And one more thing, XC means C is in the left side. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So the number was 390. X in the one ಇದೆ. So 9. 399. The number was 399. The after number was 400. Is it? Then how you write a 400? 400 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Anyone? You can write C. Is it right? Correct? ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಹೀಗೆ C ನ? This also means 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. Correct? No, it's wrong. Because I already told in a rule of repetition, you have to repeat the numbers only twice or thrice. 2 times ಅಥವಾ 3 times repeat ಆಗಬೇಕು. 4th time ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? So for that, how you write 400? You know, D ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Next one more. X L I X. X means 10. L means 50. It is left side. So now write 49. You see, IX means 9. 49. And the next number was 50. How we write? In Roman number S. In Roman number 50 represents L. You see, L. Any doubts? Don't get confusion, children. So we are writing Indo-Arabic and also a Roman numeral. Next, here one more example. D X L V I. D means what? 500. X means 10. Is it? Next, L means 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. 546. So the before number was 545. How you can write 545? Say we represent 500. L in the next bracket 40. 50. D X L V means 545, 546. Is it clear? At that time, before one the numbers and more examples you have to solve in your homework book. Today's homework was you have to write third and fourth name in homework book. Okay, third name and fourth name and homework book alli more examples na solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Any doubts? And also you can write Roman numerals. You can write Roman numerals 101 to 200. 1 time. Roman numerals na ಬರಿಬೇಕು 101 ಇಂದ 200 1 time. Okay. This is the today's homework. Any doubts? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? Okay children, do the problems neatly. Okay, don't get confusion. Every time you have to remember this 7 letters, then you can solve easily. Okay, thank you children. Bye. Take care.